Hello, YouTube world. Me and my boy Slim Code out here about 2:40 in the morning. We got this mixtape we've been working on. First track we did together, you know what I'm saying? So go check it out. Tell me what you think about it. Alright. Haters, we got them. Yes, we do. Haters, we got them. You know, it's true.
Slim Code.
Dino, we on the track. We about to go in, you know what I'm saying? Yep.
Niggas is snitches. Niggas is bitches. I got this fucking thing that'll keep niggas itching. Yeah, they be itching for more. Call me Frank White, my shit's not in stores.
18 years, yeah, I supply it. Whipped outside, you know, I'ma ride it. Skinny on my waist, yeah, I'ma diet. Just bought a plane and I don't know how to fly it. Got this new bitch, and yeah, I call her pilot. On that paper chasing, so I'm on that money diet. Niggas acting funny, so I tell them come and try it. We got them, yes, we do. Haters, we got them, you know, it's true.
Haters, everywhere we look. Haters, they everywhere we look.
Haters, we got them, yes, we do. Haters, we got them, you know, it's true. Haters,
they everywhere we look.
Haters,
they everywhere we look. Slim Code, I'm up in this bitch. Niggas hella broke, but this nigga hella rich. 6'4", about 350. I'm a big dude, but I'm still hella shifty. Yeah, I got the tats on my arms. Girls like them, so I call up my charms. And niggas wanna talk, and niggas wanna check, but they don't come at me, they go behind my back. So next time, come at me with spirit, or I'ma blow you off like I don't wanna hear it. Bitch! Bitch!
check this out now. Haters, we got them, yes, we do. Haters, we got them, you know, it's true. Haters, they everywhere we look. Haters, they everywhere we look.
Haters, we got them, yes, we do. Haters, we got them, you know, it's true.
Haters.
Haters.
Yeah. Now dogs be barking and cats be scratching. I do this thing, it's called rapping. Got the bang in my trunk and it go boom. I sweep niggas up, call me a boom. Now I'm a big nigga, so I might make a mess, but don't worry about the rest, cause you know I'm the best. I pick that thing up and I will put it to your chest. I say some last words for you, take your last breath. What's that? You ain't saying nothing? Huh? I think I heard a mumble. Keep these niggas guessing like an iPod shuffle. Hit so hard, make your punk ass fumble. Bend over, so I say I made you crumble. Bottom line, keep my name at your mouth, and we'll be straight. That's my word, no doubt.
And we out. And we out.